Hello everyone, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I'm Search and taking you through information literacy. And here we go, learn something else about information literacy. Today, in particular, we are going to be learning about research topics to published work. It is step-by-step guide to find relevant sources. Learning objectives. Some of the learning objectives we have today is by the end of this video, actually, I expect you to be able to transform a broad topic into focused research, a focused research question, develop a systematic research strategy, navigate the research process efficiently, and evaluate and select appropriate sources. So step 1 from subtopic, start broad, then narrow. This is where we use the 5 W's. Which 5 W's are who, where, what, why, or how, and when, or whose. So if you're to ask yourself the who part, who is the population? For example, the broad topic is this. The broad topic is about climate change in social media. But we have to narrow it to who is the population, where is the location, what is the specific aspect. So when you narrow the question, for example, in the broad topic is climate change. When you narrow it, it's how does climate change affect farming in Kenya? And in social media, it's how social media affects teenage mental health. So you're going slowly by slowly as you narrow. Step 2 is when we find the key points of the broad question. For example, from the question of the to the keywords, how does social media affect the teen mental health in Kenya? This question has covered the why, the how, the why, where, who. So the concept itself is social media. But the keywords here in social media, which part of social media? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp. And in the teens, the youth, adolescents, young, or people. The mental health, is it in the terms of depression, anxiety, or well-being? And the location is Kenya or East Africa. So we need to know, because we are narrowing from, remember we begin from broad to narrow. So in the third step, it is where we search for the sources. If it is to create a search string in social media or Facebook, and teen or youth, depression or anxiety, and Kenya. Where to search? Google Scholar, your university library, or for African topics. It depends on the search source that you want. Step 4 is where you evaluate the source, whereby the C means currency. Ask yourself, is it recent? R is the relevancy. Does it answer my question? That's about you evaluating the source where you're getting the information from. The accuracy, is it peer reviewed or authority? Who wrote it? Is it an expert or a purpose? Why was it written? So that you get the source from there. Step 5 is where you select the source from. Where the source of the journal article. Journal articles, are they latest or pre-reviewed research? The books, if it's a book, background information, reports, official data, or is it in literature where it's a local participant? Keep some of the key points here. Okay, key takeaways. Start broad, then narrow your topic. Use keywords to with synonyms such as use Boolean and truncations. Elevate using CP, CRP, AAP. Select a max of source types. Thank you so much for viewing. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to follow, subscribe, and